Hey guys, it is Gamer Lavina, and somehow you're probably going to be wondering, how did you get Undertale on your phone? Well, I will leave the links in the description below to the videos. Oh, fuck you. Gamepad load. Did I say I was gonna play? Yes. I should probably turn this down. But guys, just so you guys know, if you can hear me, I'm in waterfall right now, so I have to start over for you guys. What the fuck happened? As you can see, I'm in waterfall. Sorry if I'm not reading. I'm eating. This is just gonna be a short video. Well, that was all I was gonna do. Just a little introduction. I just gotta get used to these controls. Well, bye!
I was so close to hitting something.